Hello, good day. Here's a quick guide on how to file 1701Q or our quarterly income tax return using EBIR forms. So the first step is to open your EBIR forms in your computer. If you do not have it yet, you can download and install it through this link. If you already have it, make sure to check every now and then if your installed version is up to date. Now that you're all set, the next thing you need to do is to indicate your TIN or tax identification number right here. Then fill out these other fields, especially if they didn't auto-generate. And this drop-down list, make sure to choose BIR Form 1701Q v 2018. Form 1701Q is the old form, so we have to choose this new form again. It's 1701Q v 2018. Then click Fill Up. Now choose the appropriate quarter. In our case, we'll be choosing first quarter, and make sure also that you're filing in the right year. So these fields needs to be filled up completely. For the taxpayer type, you can choose either single proprietor, professional, estate, or trust. For ATC, you can either choose business income, profession, or mixed income. Right here, you'll just indicate your birthday. And then your citizenship. And then you just have to choose the correct tax rate and method of deduction. For the tax rate, you can choose either graduated income tax or 8%. But remember that the 8% can only be chosen if you are under non-vat type. For the method of deduction, the options are itemized or 40% OSD or optional standard deduction. You can choose either of the two, but remember that whichever you choose during the first quarter, it will be applied all throughout. Here you can fill out your spouse TIN and other details, but this is not necessary, especially if your spouse is an employee and someone is already managing his or her taxes. So go to page 2. And here we just have to fill out the correct fields depending on which rate you chose. So there are two fields here. There is a field for the graduated income tax rate and a field for the 8% tax rate. So since we chose graduated income tax rate, we'll be filling this field. We chose the method of deduction 40% OSD. That's why we can put in the field cost of sale. Let's just first try changing it to itemized, just to show that we can already put in this field. So again, it's up to you if you want itemized deduction for your cost of sales or the 40% OSD. So this field is only applicable for second and third quarter. If you have taxable income during those previous quarters, you need to put it in that field. Now let's go to tax credits and payments. So this is very important because if you already paid your taxes in the previous quarters, or you have a SAWT or withholding taxes, you need to fill it in here in these fields so that it will be credited and then it will lessen your taxes to pay. Creditable tax withheld is in the form of BIR 2307. So if the company has withheld taxes from you, ask for their 2307 form so you can declare it in your quarterly income tax and annual income tax. Now we can check our final taxes due in the first page. As you can see, we have negative 2,500 because our sales is only less than 250,000 as per the new rule. So let's just try changing it to a larger sales income. So this is more than 250,000, definitely. Now let's check if there will be changes in the first page and if there is taxes due as per the new computation. So there, it's already updated, and here you can see that we have tax due, positive amount tax due. So if you're already okay with the values you've indicated and you already want to submit your form, just click these buttons below, which is validate, save, print, submit, final copy. After submitting the final copy, you'll see a dialog box like this. Then, after a few days, you'll be receiving a confirmation email from BIR. You can print it or keep a copy of it because this is your proof that the BIR has gotten your form. So that's it. You've successfully submitted your 1701Q form. And if you have questions, just let us know by indicating it in the comment section below. Thank you!